right, so when you click on Canva, you should see a page that looks like this. And of course, the first thing we need to do whenever we use a new web tool is create an account. So what you're going to do is click sign up with email. So go ahead and click on sign up with email. You will enter your first name and your last initial. So Nick would maybe just put Nick G. Don't put your full last name. Then you're going to put your school email in. And a good password for this site would be OVMS and your lunch pin. You can capitalize OVMS, all 4 letters, and your lunch pin. And then your account should be ready to go. Right. So since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Your view is going to be a little bit different than mine, but I'm going to walk you through it. Once you create your account, I believe that your first option is to choose what kind of account you're creating. You want to choose student. And then it's going to ask you, I think the next step is going to ask you what kind of project you want to create. Is that the next prompt that you get? Or no, is it something else? Don't invite anyone, just click on skip in the top right corner. And then your first option should be infographic. And that's what we are going to be creating as a group today. So you can go ahead and click on infographic. After you create your first infographic, then your screen will look like mine. So I'm going to show you how you can access your designs today. I'm just going to click on all your designs, and that's where your designs will show up. I'm going to click create a design, and actually I'm just going to go to all my designs. Okay, so this is an infographic that I started and set up. I'm going to edit it. My screen probably looks like yours. You will see several different templates to choose from. Please choose a template. That will make your life easier and your group's life easier. You're going to get a chance to choose a template with your group in a couple of minutes. Only one person from your group will pick the template. They will then share it. I'm going to show you how to share it in a moment. But once you set up your infographic, it's super easy to edit, and everyone can edit it with the link. All you do is double click on the text box and type in whatever it is you need to. If you want to change the background, you can do that. You can click on the options. There's lots of cool options to choose from. If you want to add pictures, which I'm sure some of you will need to save the picture to your picture folder and then upload it. So this is just a random picture from the play I had saved. I'm just going to drag it over, and now it's in my infographic. I can resize it. It's really easy to use. If you want your whole infographic with all your reasons and evidence on one page, great. If you feel like you're going to need more space, you can simply copy the page, and it'll create a second page with the same template for you. When you're ready to share it, that one person from your group who creates the tool will click on the share button. Then they will click on copy the link, and then you can confirm that it was copied because it will say copied. What do you think your next step will be once you have that copied link? Spencer? Exactly. Then you'll go into Office 365, you'll paste the link, and you'll email it to your group members so everyone has access to edit it. And that's it. So I would like you guys to set this up today since I'm not going to be here tomorrow. If you want to access this tomorrow again to kind of see how to get back in there, that's why I made the screencast. But you guys should be good to go and then get into research. Okay? Any questions for me?